Hi there, I'm Max with Buckeye Heating, Cooling, and Plumbing. Welcome to our Knowledge Center where we share our technical know-how with you. Let's go ahead and get started on today's topic with one of our pros.
Is your furnace struggling to keep up to the set temperature on your thermostat? Are you looking for a second opinion on replacing your furnace? Hey there, I'm Josh, the HVAC training manager here, and in this video we'll cover some of the most frequently asked questions we hear from customers regarding our furnace installation service, such as, when should I consider replacing my furnace? Should I repair or replace my furnace? How much does a new furnace installation cost? It's sometimes hard to tell when you should give up on your current furnace and replace it with a new one. While ultimately the decision is yours, here are some factors to consider as you determine the right time for furnace replacement. 1. Furnaces last 15 to 20 years on average with good maintenance. If your furnace is nearing, within, or beyond this range, replacement is coming in your future no matter what. 2. Operation grows noisier and noisier. 3. You've had to call for furnace repairs more often over the past few years. 4. Your energy bills have increased, but you can't figure out why. 5. Temperatures are hard to control throughout your house. 6. The furnace only runs for a few minutes at a time. 7. Airflow imbalance throughout the home. Should I repair or replace my furnace? As much as we wish there was, there's no definite answer homeowners can use to gauge whether it's time for a new furnace or to repair their existing system. Often, homeowners first learn that their old furnace is failing when they call for furnace repairs. Depending on the problem, a furnace repair isn't always an option mechanically, nor is it always the best choice based on average cost. Planning ahead for a new furnace replacement puts you in the best position to get the right heating system for your home. You'll have time to compare high-efficiency furnaces as well as evaluate multiple quotes for equipment options worth considering. Once you choose a new furnace, your HVAC contractors can install it quickly so you don't have to experience a disruption in heating due to an unforeseen catastrophic furnace failure. How much does a new furnace installation cost? Furnace replacement costs depend on the equipment you choose and what is needed to facilitate its efficient performance in the home. When you receive a quote for a furnace replacement, this includes furnace costs to buy the new unit, labor costs for removal or work needed to your home, and installation costs to put the new gas furnace or other system into service. Additional factors that go into the cost of replacing your furnace are the size or capacity of the unit, efficiency rating, any ductwork modifications necessary, additional accessories such as a whole home humidifier or UV air purifier, permits for the work, and more. What are the next steps? If you believe it is time to purchase a new furnace, these should be the next steps you take. Request free estimates. Get contractors to come to your home and they will perform a complete home evaluation to determine the type of system you need. Talk about options. Some problems have multiple solutions. A good heating and cooling company will consider the opinion of you, the homeowner, and have your best interest in mind. Finally, settle on a quote. Try to consider more than the price when you decide on a contractor. The cheapest option isn't always the best. Once you have a quote from a company you like, schedule your furnace installation date. If you are ready to schedule an estimate or second opinion on a furnace replacement, give us a call or fill out the schedule an estimate form at the top of this website. And remember, when you need us,
call the folks at Buckeye, night or day.